Welcome back to Next Gen Tech, the channel where we break down the smartest tools shaping our future. Today, we're diving into 7 mind-blowing AI tools that are not just helpful, they are replacing the everyday apps you've relied on for years. Whether you're managing projects, writing emails, or editing videos, the tools we'll explore are smarter, faster, and, in many cases, totally free. So, are traditional apps becoming obsolete? Let's find out. You're watching Next Gen Tech. The future is now. Email and writing. Traditional Gmail plus Docs. Replacement ChatGPT plus Notion AI. Let's start with something we all do, writing emails and documents. Instead of typing everything from scratch in Gmail or Google Docs, tools like ChatGPT and Notion AI now generate emails, summarize messages, and rewrite content with just a prompt. Need a professional email? ChatGPT can create one in seconds. Need meeting notes turned into a blog post? Notion AI handles that without breaking a sweat. These tools are replacing the need for multiple writing platforms and saving hours every week.
Task and project management. Traditional Trello/Asana, replacement Taskade AI. Managing your to-dos and team projects? You've probably used Trello or Asana, but in 2025, Taskade AI is the smarter option. It lets you chat with your task list, generate workflows based on your goals, and even rewrite project plans to be more efficient. It's like having an AI productivity coach built into your planner.
Notes and brainstorming. Traditional, Evernote. Replacement, Mem AI. Taking notes or brainstorming. Forget sticky notes or Evernote. Say hello to Mem AI, your second brain. It remembers everything you write, automatically connects ideas, and organizes your notes in a way that mimics your own thought process. Mem isn't just a note app, it's an intelligent memory system. Video editing. Traditional, Adobe Premiere, iMovie. Replacement, Descript.
AI. Editing videos used to mean hours inside Premiere or iMovie. Now, just upload your video into Descript and edit it like a Google Doc. Delete words, rearrange scenes, and remove filler sounds, all by editing the transcript. It's perfect for content creators who want professional results without the steep learning curve.
Meetings in transcripts, traditional, Zoom notes/manual summaries, and to replacement, Fireflies.ai. What about meetings? Instead of writing notes during Zoom calls or scrambling to remember what was said, use Fireflies.ai. This AI joins your meetings, takes notes, summarizes key points, and sends you action items automatically. It's like having a smart assistant that never sleeps. Presentations. Traditional, PowerPoint/Canva. Replacement, Tome.app. Creating presentations? Forget dragging slides in PowerPoint. Tome.app uses AI to turn your ideas into beautiful, animated storytelling slides. Instantly. Just write what your presentation is about, and it generates slides, selects images, and builds a flow. It's revolutionizing how professionals pitch ideas and share reports. Design, traditional, Photoshop, Illustrator. Replacement, Uizard and Leonardo AI.
Need designs fast but don't know how to use Photoshop? Tools like Uizard and Leonardo AI allow you to sketch ideas or type a prompt and watch as full UI designs or illustrations are generated for you. Whether you're building an app or creating social media art, these tools are replacing the need for full design teams.
So, there you have it. 7 AI tools that are not only simplifying your workflow, but completely replacing the traditional apps we thought we couldn't live without. This is just the beginning. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more weekly AI insights, and hit the bell so you never miss what's next. This is Next Gen Tech, where the future works smarter.